Good morning, Alex. Can you give me a detailed update on yesterday's production performance?
Good morning, Jenny. Yes, I have the metrics right here. We achieved 95% of the production target for line B. However, we had a minor equipment failure around 2 p.m. that affected the output.
What kind of equipment failure?
The conveyor belt motor stopped functioning. The maintenance team responded quickly, and we resumed normal operation within 45 minutes.
How did this affect the downtime and efficiency?
The downtime was recorded as 47 minutes. Overall line efficiency dropped from 92% to 87%.
Understood. What about the defect rate?
The defect rate remained steady at 0.8%, which is within our acceptable quality threshold.
That's good to hear. Did the output quantity meet the shift quota despite the issue?
Yes, we managed to hit 2,130 units against a shift quota of 2,200. We implemented a catch-up plan during the night shift.
Excellent. Please include all this in the daily report and forward it to QA and the operations director.
Will do. I'll also include the corrective action plan for the equipment failure to avoid a recurrence.
What actions are we taking for long-term prevention?
We've scheduled weekly inspections on the conveyor belt motor, and we're adding a sensor-based monitoring system to alert us before a failure occurs.
Smart move. What trends do you notice in the metrics over the past 2 weeks?
There's been a gradual increase in output quantity, averaging a 2.5% improvement weekly. The defect rate is consistently under the quality threshold, and efficiency has stabilized above 90%.
Any identified bottlenecks?
Yes. Line C often slows down during the packaging stage. We are currently analyzing the cycle time and introducing a parallel team to reduce pressure.
Good. We must document these improvements and challenges clearly in the daily report.
Agreed. I'll also prepare a presentation on line efficiency trends and propose a quarterly review strategy.
Excellent initiative. Let's sync again after the afternoon walkthrough. Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Jenny.